Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to twist this fabulous 2-balloon heart flower. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks. You're going to need two 260 twisting balloons for this balloon heart flower, one in red and one in green. I've inflated this balloon with 6 strokes of the Latex hand pump. I've got a tail of maybe 4 to 5 fingers, and I'm going to let quite a bit of air out here just to make sure that this section is nice and soft, and then tie. Okay, then make a bubble that is about 5 fingers. Okay, so maybe about 3 inches, 3.5 inches in size, and twist. And then make another bubble to match this one. And twist this section, and then we're going to wrap the knot and nozzle into this section here. So just twist round and then pass the knot and nozzle through the centre of the balloon just to make sure that doesn't come undone. Give your balloon a squeeze and a bit of a stretch just to make sure it's nice and soft. And again, make another 5 finger, 3 to 3.5 inch bubble and twist, and make another one to match this. So again, just twist and then twist everything around. Okay, so that's what you've got. It's important that this next section is quite soft, so just squeeze and stretch the balloon. Okay, and then wrap the balloon over the top of these 2 bubbles, and it will just nestle in this little split section here. So just wrap it over the top, grab hold of everything at the centre and twist that around. Again, give your balloon a squeeze and a stretch, and we're going to do the same thing with this other section here. So over the top, it nestles in nice and snugly, squeeze everything here and just twist everything around. Okay, so that's what you've got. We don't need the rest of this, so we can just snip that off and then just tie that excess into a knot. Okay, so this is what you've got. Take your second 260 balloon, and this has just got a very short tail of 2 fingers or so. So just squeeze everything, stretch, and make a loop of maybe about 4 fingers or so. So just fold the balloon over, I'm hanging onto that knot and nozzle, and then just twisting round. And again, as we did before, pass the knot and nozzle through the centre. It's just going to help secure that loop. So squeeze your balloon, with a bit of a stretch again to keep it soft. So make another loop to match this one. So I've just folded the balloon over here. I'm comparing in size and twisting. Okay, so you can use your fingers to check the size if you want, if that helps. And again, take that knot and nozzle, wrap it around that second loop, and that's just going to help secure that. So we're squeezing the air towards the tip of our flower stem, okay, trying to fill up that end. If you're using these metal finished balloons, it can be a little bit tricky just to get it right to the end, but keep squeezing. And then fold the balloon over again, measure the loop and twist. And it doesn't have to be exactly the same size as the other loops, but close is good enough. And then just wrap that third loop around the others, and that's just going to secure those all in position. So this is what you've got. So I'm pushing my fingers underneath the outer loop, and then take the outer loop of the other part of the flower. Push your fingers through both sections. Okay, so I've got my fingers through both there, and then I'm just going to pull this section underneath this outer loop. Just pull it through, and you can see what's going on at the back here. So that's just going to pressure fit there, and I can let go, and that will stay in position. And then take your stem and just pull the excess into those loops at the stem, the top, and just wrap around, and then we can cut off this excess. If you want to learn how to make more of my balloon flowers, I recommend you watch this video next.